This is a completely PC-free method. We won't be using any tools in this video tutorial. We're going to use a completely different method. Previously, when we saw the accessibility message, our device was fully ready to use. A completely unlocked device. We could access it. But since these devices have updated, the accessibility message no longer appears. But our phone still has the same screen lock, and now it asks us to add a Google account. Here we have emergency call. On some devices, this method worked where we would type *#, *0, *#, and we could enable ADB debugging, which also worked very well with the program. We would connect the device, activate ADB, and run the program. And with a single click, we could recover our device. But these updates have changed. The first thing we're going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network before starting the recovery process. We're going to click Next. We'll get to where, let's see, it looks like. Here it is. Yes, it. We're going to click here. We're going to click here on Skip. When the device doesn't have a Google account or a screen lock, it gives you direct access from here. Skip, skip, skip. It gives you access. But if it doesn't give you the option to skip, it's because it's completely locked. Now what we're going to do is go through all that process until we get to where our screen lock appears. Our screen lock will appear, and we'll also see that Google account, which was the starting point. Everything that started was from there, from when we changed that pattern or password. Then what we did was reset it. We formatted it, and now that our device has started up, we still have the same lock and the Google account. We have those two options left. So how are we going to be able to access our device if it's completely locked with that screen lock and also with the Google account? Well, we're going to explain a step-by-step video tutorial where we won't make any video cuts. We do everything exactly as we re-indicating it in an easy way. Quickly. Let's wait until we get to where that screen lock appears, and then we'll tell you what else we're going to do. I also want to mention that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we have other completely different methods. A method using a PC and a method without a PC. For those who want to try other methods completely different from this one, you can also check the description in the first pinned comment to try other methods. Okay, let's wait. It seems the Wi-Fi network is a bit slow. We're almost at the beginning of this process. We're going to explain. That's why I want to get to where that lock appears, where it also shows the Google account. Because I've always seen comments from several people saying that you cut the video, that you edited the tutorial, that it's not real. So, we're going to do all of that. We're going to explain it in detail from beginning to end, and we're not going to cut the tutorial at any point. We're going to make it a little longer, but we're going to give it so that you don't have any doubts about our videos. We always, we do our best so that you too can have a solution for these devices, so you can fix the recovery issue and fully access your device, including adding a new screen lock and a new Google account. We're almost there. It's almost taking us to that section where it will say, do not copy, and then it will take us to all of that. We'll wait a few more seconds. Let's wait here. Also, for those who are always attentive to our videos, we also want to recommend that YouTube has enabled the YouTube Members Community session for us, so you can support us. This way, you can also be the first to see our video tutorials. We'll be publishing them in advance from there, and then we'll be publishing them on YouTube a few days later. We're going to click here where it says, do not copy. We're going to click here. This takes us to this screen lock. We're going to click here where it says, use my Google account, which would take us to that Google account. For those who might not know the screen lock, but do know the Google account, write the email here and then click next, and then write the password, and you'll see that it will give you access to your device. Also, if you don't remember the email but you know the phone number, you can also recover your phone with the phone number. You write the number, click next, and you will receive a recovery code. You write it and it would give you access to your device this way. If you don't have any of that, you're going to click here on Forget Gmail. This is very important. We write anything here too. Anything here too. We're going to do this process in about 40 seconds to a minute. We're going to do it here. In the next 40 seconds to a minute, we're going to do this process. This is to enable a function that will give us access to our device. This is one of the fastest ways to access and recover our device since it also has a screen lock. Finally, with the forgotten Gmail account, we're here. Now that these seconds have passed, now that all this is over, what we're going to do is this. We're going to go back, and back. We go back. We go here where it says, Add New Network. We write, OK, not here. Here we're going to click here where it says this little gear. We click here where it says, Reset. We're going to reset these two options that appear here. We click on Reset. We reset those two options. Then we go back to the home screen and then we're going to click here several times to activate a QR code. We go back, Add New Network, and as you can see here, this QR code appears. We're going to click here on Gallery. From here, we could previously access it from here. We'll explain it in a moment. We click on Gallery. We click on these lines that appear here. And then we click here on Gallery. As you can see, we used to be able to access it directly from here. But that function is no longer working. The method we wanted was to reset all those settings, which we already did. From here, we reset everything, so we're going to reset it again. We reset it, and then we're going to restart our phone again. Now we're going to wait for our phone to completely reset to then complete the recovery process. We're in the final steps. It's that easy and quick to regain access to your device. That's why it's always recommended to watch the video tutorial step by step without skipping ahead so you don't miss any details. I also want to mention that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, you'll find many fully updated methods, both PC-based and non-PC-based. Let's wait until it takes us directly to the home screen, And here we'll be completing this process. We're going to recover it quickly and easily without a PC. It's already starting. As you can see, we haven't cut this video tutorial. As we've said, we're going to do everything to the letter. Look, as you can see, the padlock still appears here. This is the padlock we're going to recover. It's still here where the time is displayed, and we're going to remove it. How are we going to remove it? Well, pay close attention to this video tutorial so you can solve it this way. We absolutely have to get to where the Google account appears, and that's where the magic happens. We'll go to where it gives us the option to access our device this way. But we absolutely have to get to the screen lock option. Then we tap where it says, Use Google account, and that's where we'll be able to recover this device. That's why we haven't skipped ahead in this video tutorial. We're going to do everything without disconnecting, without skipping ahead, without cutting the video. We're going to do everything right in front of the video, without needing to fast forward. That's why we always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step without skipping ahead so you don't miss any details and can enable all the functions we've mentioned from the beginning of the video. Because if you don't do everything we did, so this won't give you access. You won't be able to access it and recover it this way. Well, we're almost there. This would take us directly to what we're looking for. We're going to wait for an easy and quick way. Well, as we've said since the beginning of the video, this is where everything starts. Here, we're going to click where it says, Don't copy. Look, the padlock is still there at the top. Now, here we see the account, the screen lock. Here we see the Google account. So, what are we going to do now? Well, I'll explain what we're going to do here. We're going to go back with just one click. Now, as we can see, here we have the Wi-Fi network. We don't need any SIM card. If you have one, we recommend removing the SIM card so that this method can work for you. We remove the SIM card. We have the padlock. Now, what I'm going to do is disconnect the Wi-Fi network. I'm going to disconnect the Wi-Fi network. We disconnect, then I know the network is gone. It's not there anymore. No signal. We're going to click here where it says, Don't copy. It takes us to Google Services. We click Accept. We click here on Skip. We're going to wait. Look, the padlock is still there. We click Next. We click here on Skip. Next. Here we're going to click Finish. We click, look, the padlock is still there. Look at it. Look at it. Now it's completely deleted. So we can recover our device in an easy and quick way.